Here's a question for you. Who is your CRM for? With conventional thinking, CRMs only benefit the teams that deal with customers directly. This could include sales, marketing, customer service teams. But we at Enable have been building CRM systems for 25 years, and in our experience, this only scratches the surface. We find that many of the reasons why companies invest in a CRM boil down to one prevailing goal: to end silos by introducing a single source of truth to the business. In doing this, you stop the possibility of crossed wires and information being buried amongst many different places. The CRM acts as one place where everyone can find what they need and everyone is accountable for their work. However, CRM software is often web-based, which means it comes with recurring fees that sometimes makes adding more users than your frontline team a little bit expensive. We would recommend checking with your provider to see if your CRM can facilitate more of your teams without the full cost. But for those with SugarCRM, you're in luck with Sugar Lite. Sugar Lite users can access and use your CRM in much the same way that full users can. Key modules such as contacts, accounts, calls and meetings are all included, with access to up to 5 custom modules. And reports and dashboards are also included for wide coverage of your system. And all of this for a much reduced cost over a full license. For more information on Sugar Lite, check out our website using the link below. But that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and take good care of yourselves.